Want to learn how to make one of the most delicious dal in Southeast Asia that Indian and Pakistani eat? Well, follow me.
Everybody, welcome to my channel Kashmiri and British cooking. Today we are going to cook lentils, Kherra Masala dal chana. Okay, these are the ingredients. We are going to use spring onion fresh, fenugreek dried, curry powder, paprika, salt, cinnamon seeds and the whole garam masala, lentils, fresh chili, onion, garlic and one tomato and oil we're going to use. And then after we're going to use
Okay, darken your onions about 7 to 10 minutes on medium heat. Okay, now peel a whole clove of garlic. Now your onions have turned dark, put them aside and keep the oil, we need this. Okay, so now we're going to chop the spring onions into small pieces and we're going to add them to the oil on medium heat. So we have 4 spring onions. So it's been a few minutes, about 2 or 3 minutes since the spring onions have been cooking. Now we're going to add the spices, the masala. Add the whole garam masala. Mix it really well to release the power of the garam masala. Start adding some water, I think about 1/4 of a glass, but just eyeball it. Just remember, it's been on medium heat ever since we added the spring onions. Cover the top for about 5 to 6 minutes on low heat. So it's been about 5 or 6 minutes and now we're going to see the progress on the spring onions and make sure it's all, getting cooked correctly. Grab yourself a tomato, chop it in small pieces and add it to your pot. At this point in the cooking, we need to start adding the green chili or the red chili, and we're going to add red chilies. Now add all the spices, the masala into the pot. Bay leaf, curry powder, paprika and salt. Make sure you mix that really well to release all the goodness and the nutrients and so forth. Now add the fenugreek seeds, which is called methi in our language. Remember to keep mixing. Every time you add something, mix it and mix it. Make sure you don't let the bottom touch. And when you keep mixing it, it releases all the pheromones, all the nutrients, all the goodness, which is what you want. Give it a good mix, my friend. So we added a couple of extra cups of water. Do you remember last time I told you about the garlic and ginger, how you add it at the end and never in the beginning, for your heart, your lungs, kidney, your liver, everything. Okay, so we need to cover it for about half an hour and leave it, but also make sure you keep an eye on it, yes? Okay, we took the top off about 10 minutes, 15 minutes later, so we just give it a little stir. I'm going to cover it back up. Starting to look very juicy, my friend. Very nice indeed. Okay, the dal is looking just about made. Now we're going to add the last few bits, the garlic. Okay, in the final step we added some coriander for some nice subtle effect. And if you love watching these clips and you want to learn how to cook, I suggest you subscribe and you start watching, because you're going to sooner or later need to know how to cook. Everyone should learn how to cook. It's number one, yeah, as a human being, everyone should know how to cook, because cooking saves lives, right? And it keeps your stomach full. So if you love watching these, please, I am asking you to subscribe to our channel. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please, I suggest subscribe and make me happy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Okay.